Let's talk about applying early and what that means. I see some questions. Is it too late? Should I not apply? I'm hearing it's too late. When should I get my application in? This is still a good time to apply, and you can really submit your application up until a deadline. There are people who will submit the day that the application's due or whatever, the day before, and still get their application looked at and potentially still get into PA school. The reason we talk about applying early is the concept of rolling admissions, which many PA schools use. And what that means is it's a process where when your application comes in, the schools start looking at those complete applications as they arrive. They don't wait for them all to get there and do it at the same time. And every school is going to have their own process for admissions. Everything's going to look a little different. And that's where it can be a little bit frustrating because they don't necessarily tell you what that is. So some schools may have a weekly or monthly meeting where they're sitting down with applications and looking at it. They may have one person who their job is to just constantly go through applications, and we don't know that. So your application gets in for rolling admissions. It's complete. Transcripts are in, letters are in, it's verified. The school starts looking at it. If they like what they see, they're going to offer you an interview. If they like what they see at the interview, they may offer you a spot in their program. And all of this can happen before a school's deadline is done. So these schools that have deadlines in August, September, October, they may be already accepting people interviewing before that deadline gets here. So if we think about it from just a numbers game, if you wait until later to submit, you have less of a chance to get in just because some of those spots are already gone. If they're accepting 40 students and they've already accepted 20 by the time your application gets in, and now they have a bigger pool of applications and less spots available, then that could affect if you get a spot or not. So that's why we emphasize the importance of applying early.